Hi, throughout my roller coaster ride as a React web developer, I've clocked in over 10,000 hours. That's a lot of coding. And yes, a ton of YouTube tutorials too. I'm here to share some golden nuggets I've picked up along the way, things that will turbocharge your journey into becoming a coding ninja. So strap in and let's dive into it. I'm talking about 3 game-changer concepts that will morph your thinking into that of an elite developer. We're going to slice and dice through breaking down concepts, code modularity, and the art of crafting reusable code. Once I break down these for you, I'll demonstrate how they come to life with the most exciting example out there, a React Accordion component. It's going to be like putting together a Lego masterpiece. First up, breaking down concepts. Picture this. You're the hero in an epic video game, sword in hand, epic music in the background. Your mission? Save the world. Talk about a heavy day, right? Are you rushing headfirst into the battle with just a wooden sword? Bad idea. It's like trying to speedrun Dark Souls blindfolded. You're kinda doomed. What you do is level up. You tackle those sneaky side quests, each one like a mini coding challenge. Debugging that sneaky error? Check. Streamlining a function? Done. Creating that slick user interface? Nailed it. It's all about gearing up, gaining skills, and building your arsenal, one quest at a time. Now, onto code modularity. Think about building your dream skateboard. You don't just grab any random deck and wheels, you choose each part to suit your skateboarding style. That's modular coding in a nutshell. Instead of a jumbled mess of code, you create neat, independent modules. Each module is like a part of your skateboard. You nail one, and it's like that perfecting a kickflip. Now that's just plain cool. And the best part, just like swapping out parts for different skate parks, in coding, you can mix and match these modules across projects. It's like having a skateboard that's ready for anything, from street to ramp. And last but not least, code reusability. Imagine you're a pro at both gaming and skateboarding. In the gaming realm, you've got this ultimate character you've honed over time. They've got the coolest abilities and gear from your many quests. In the skateboarding world, you've got your custom board tweaked to perfection. In both scenarios, what you're doing is leveraging the power of reusability. You don't reinvent the wheel every single time. You use what works, adapting it to new challenges. In coding, this means taking a function or component and reusing it in different parts of your apps or even in new projects. So what's the takeaway from all of this? Whether it's dissecting problems, building modular code, or reusing your best bits, it's all about being smart in your coding journey. These strategies are your tools to tackle software development efficiently, enjoyably, and most importantly, successfully. Okay, now it's time to roll up your sleeves and dive into some actual code. Once you're done watching this tutorial, you can experiment using these concepts with your own projects. Be sure to hit the like and drop me a comment with what you've built so I can check it out too. And if you're enjoying watching this and would like to see more Kung Fu, be sure to hit subscribe. I hope you learned something from watching that explanation of breaking down concepts, code modularity, and code reusability. So here's a customizable and reusable accordion component that I've built. We have a reusable accordion component that takes in a title as well as an array of objects which contains the accordion items, and we can easily add and remove items from here. Within the accordion component, we have style components that we use to style the different elements within our accordion and accordion items. We use the style component for the text element, and we've created a bit of customization to change the weight as well as the bottom margin. We then map through the different items, and for each item, we use the accordion item component that we've created, where it takes in the index and that helps us to number each item as well as pass the item itself. For the accordion item, we deconstruct the title and the content that has been passed. We use state to manage whether the item is collapsed or expanded, and we've created a function called toggle accordion that helps us to easily change the state between true and false. We then display the title itself for the accordion item, and we use the state again to know whether to display the plus or the minus icon for the accordion item. We then have a style component, Accordion item content, where we pass the isActive property to it, and that helps us to know whether to display or to hide the content. In terms of the styling for the Accordion item content, we use the display property and the isActive prop to show or to hide the item content. You can see that by structuring your code in this manner, where we've created modular code and we've created reusable components, we create more maintainable and more easily scalable components. By thinking in ways like this, you will become a better and more efficient developer. I hope that helped you in some way. And if you enjoyed this, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel, where I'll be explaining more concepts in React. And I'll drop a link to this repo in the description below so you can build on this further.